guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making aloe vera leave-in conditioner. I have seen a couple of videos people making aloe vera leave-in conditioner with fresh aloe vera plant, but I have also tried it with this aloe vera and it works so fine. So our ingredients today is my organic aloe vera, and I have warm water, lukewarm water, not hot but warm water, half a cup of warm water. I'm going to be using my sweet almond oil, and I am going to be using castor oil. Also, I am going to be adding my peppermint essential oil just to add that minty scent to the leave-in conditioner. So let's get into the business. Now I am going to add my aloe vera, and I'm going to add another spoon of that. I added another spoon, and I'll mix it. So I roughly added 3 spoons of aloe vera, and then I'll mix it up. I'm going to add 1 spoon of my castor oil, 1 spoonful, and I am also going to add 1 spoon of my sweet almond oil. That is it. And now I'm going to add about 5 drops of my mint essential oil, and I'll mix that up. So the next stage is blending this up, because this will take it to another level. If you have a hand blender, it's easier to just put it in and whisk it, but I don't, so I'm going to add it inside my blender. And I am going to whisk this for a couple of seconds. I'm done blending up my aloe vera leave-in conditioner, and I am going to put this in a container, because usually I store it in my fridge for about 3 weeks, and also you can freeze it up as well for about a month or 2 months, and it still look good whenever you take it out from the freezer and let it defrost, and it still looks like you made it the same day. So how do I apply this on my hair? I apply like any other leave-in conditioner that I have ever used. I washed my hair, and then I apply the leave-in conditioner on my hair, and then apply my cream and my oil. That is the way I apply this on my hair, and this product is so lightweight and it leaves your hair very, very soft. And this is my aloe vera leave-in conditioner. Guys, you need to try this. This is very, very moisturizing. It detangles, it moisturizes, and it leaves your hair very soft. So guys, thank you so much for stopping by to my channel. Please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.